Hello and welcome. I am the Soul Enchantress, and today I'd like to speak with you about how you flow money, success, and bliss effortlessly and easily, and the whole concept of reading about things, listening to things, and the difference between actually being a passive vessel for knowledge, information, and even wisdom, and being an active vehicle of manifestation. Okay, so there are quite a few things that you may or may not have looked at in this manner. Okay, so most people, they will consume information or knowledge on whatever it is that they want to access or to achieve or to let go or to create, or if they are in the vicinity of wanting to expand their life or business. Okay, so everything, as always, my work is all about your money, your business, and your lifestyle. So everything I say actually relates to your business or life, okay? Your business and life. So the point that I'd like to make today is that there is a huge difference between simply consuming information, knowledge, and wisdom and being a passive vessel, as I call it. So you're actually, it's a bit like, I'm being shown this vision to describe this to you. It is a bit like you've got this beautiful vessel, which is you, and you keep on pouring all of this beautiful liquid into it, this amazing liquid. And the liquid is actually a metaphor for information, knowledge, and wisdom. You keep pouring it in. However, the vessel doesn't utilize this beautiful liquid, and it simply goes in and goes out of the vessel. And so it is a passive action. It is a passive vessel. However, take a different person who consumes the information, the exact same information, the same knowledge, and the same wisdom, and then they practice the teachings, and they practice and do and action whatever needs to be done in order for them to be whatever it is that they are looking at letting go, releasing, creating, manifesting, or expanding. And they actually have the outcome that both the original person and the second person actually were looking for in the first place. So I'd like to use the analogy of achieving a huge goal, because that's what my work is all about. And I and my clients, when I say I actually mean my clients in whenever I speak about many things, because whatever it is that I adhere to or I do or I practice, I actually offer that to my clients. And so when my clients and I want to achieve a huge goal, we not only consume the information, the knowledge, and the wisdom, but we also have what you in ancient times they used to call it active faith. And what that means is you don't just believe something and passively wait for it to fall from the sky. You actually take action towards that goal as you are inspired, instead of simply waiting for it to be handed to you. Do you know what I mean? So you're actually backing your belief. You're backing your faith. And it's faith in yourself. It's not faith in anything outside of you. It is faith in yourself that you are able to achieve whatever it is that you set out to do. Okay, so how can you flow money, success, and bliss easily into your life and into your business? I'd like to tell you what my clients and I do. And I'm not kidding. We actually do this, and it actually works. You have whatever it is, we have whatever it is that we want, whether it is, we decide whether it is something that we want to release from our life or business, whether it is something that we want to create in our life or business, whether it is something that we want to manifest into our life or business, whether it is something that we want to expand in our life or business. And then with that intention, we go in to my sacred wisdom library. No, I'm not kidding. We actually do this. And I personally do this. We go in and we enter the 3 vaults, see where our soul is actually driving us to go and access what is it that it wants us to access. And then we pick those 1, 2, or maybe 3 different modules inside the Sacred Wisdom Library, and then we sit with it and we listen to it, do the work, practice the teachings, be in that energy. And by the time we leave the Sacred Wisdom Library, and this could be anything as quick as 5 minutes, depending on what it is that you are actually trying to achieve, whether it's 5 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, an hour. By the time you leave the Sacred Wisdom Library, we either are no longer attached. If we were looking at releasing something, we're no longer attached to that thing, which means it's actually released. Or if we're trying to create something, we've already got an idea of what it is that we want to do. If we're trying to manifest something, we're already aligned with that, what we want to manifest. And the shift has already occurred. The transformational shift in our energy has already occurred. And then, say we wanted to expand something, the seed of the idea in which direction to expand is already taking form by the time we leave the library. So it is seriously phenomenal. It is incredibly powerful, and it is a container, it is a vessel, it is a sacred wisdom library that holds these really high vibrational energies that allow you to simply be who you are, get deep clarity, and to get the momentum that you need in order for you to get your own guidance system working. So it's not being spoon-fed the information. It's not me giving you ideas on what to do. It's not me giving you the information. It's you sitting in this energy of this exquisite high vibrational forms of ancient wisdom and powerful energetic tools, and utilizing all of it in order to come up with your own solutions so that you can achieve your huge goals while you relax and rejuvenate. And it shifts your energy instantly and quickly in order for you to align with your goals, your desires, your creations, whatever it is that you want to birth. And also it has these amazing tools and the wisdom in it where before you can actually achieve something or birth something, you need to clear something out. You can also do that. And then if you're at a different stage where you actually want to start growing and expanding, it allows you to do that too. So I hope that this has been helpful. And as always, I would love to see you inside my Sacred Wisdom Library at soulenchantress.com. Oh, and also, when I'm recording this, I've actually activated a third option as a a 3-week subscription option, which allows you to indulge inside this vortex of energy for 3 weeks, which I've never done before. But I simply want more people to be able to access my library and to access this exquisite energy and energies that have made themselves available to you, and all of the ancient wisdom and the energetic tools in there. So I'll see you at soulenchantress.com, and I wish you a beautiful day. Joyous blessings.